Good evening, dear gentlemen. Welcome to the Defense Impulse. We will be seeing the answer key for the mathematics paper of the CDS 2 2021 happened on the 14th November of this year. So let's just start. This is the set D, and the first question is about the radius of the circumcircle of right angle triangle, which is the inscribed uh, in a circle. So uh, the answer of this will be the 80 because this hypotenuse will be 20 and this distance to the perpendicular distance from the perpendicular to the hypotenuse is 80 given. So the half into base into height formula gives the 80 answer. Two circles touch externally. This is the diagram. So the 5 and 4 will be the radius of the two circles, and the difference between their diameters will be the 2 centimeter. I then secondly I thirdly, the third answer. The third question is the area of square x. P is the area of square x, and Q is the area of square, which is made on the diagonal of square x. So the diagonal is root 2a will be suppose this is a, then this will be root 2a. So the 1 by root 2 will be the side ratio, and the area ratio will be 1 square by 2 root 2 square. So this will be the 1 by 2. So the option D is correct here. The fourth option, the answer for the fourth will be A option, because the 36 area of the rhombus is half into the diagonal one multiplied with the diagonal two. So this formula will give us the other side, other diagonal as the uh, 14. So the 50 will be the side of the area, and 50 into 4 will be the 200. So the area perimeter will be the 4 into side, that is the 200 centimeter. Fifthly, this will be the diagram, that is the minute hand of a clock is 21 centimeter. So the area was swept by it during between the 20 in the 20 minute, that it will be around 462 centimeter square. So this will be so because it will be covering the area one third, which will be one third of the area covered by it in the whole hour. So this will be calculated as this one third of the 154 is the area of the 7 centimeter square circle. So this is three times, so it will the area will be square of 3, that is 9. So the one third of 9 in one third of 9 multiplied with the 154, the answer comes out to be is will be 462. So the sixth question says that this is the case of the covered, in which the I'll have to be in which we have to calculate the diagonal, and the length breadth is given, but the height is height is to be calculated, in which the diagonal is given. So the 29 square minus 21 square plus 16 square, will this will two will be added, the square of these two will be added and then subtracted to the squares of the 29. So the answer comes out to be that will be the 12. That is the C. Wait a second, 12 centimeter. So now the seventh question is of a hemispherical ball, which will be the number of bottles will be come out to be 108, simple calculation. And 8, the hollow spherical cell is made of metal of density 7 gram. This will be coming around to 5544. So the next option, ninth question, the cone of height 16 centimeter, diameter 14 centimeter. So this will be the figure, and the answer come out to be 1540. The tenth question, the three cubes are joined. So the area of length will be increased to three times, but the breadth and the height will be the remaining the same. So the answer will be coming out will be 686 by the simple formula, by the simple formula of 2 and 12 plus LB BH plus HL. Uh, now the 11th question, a cubical block of side 14 centimeter is surmounted by hemisphere of radius 7 centimeter. This is the case. This is the hemispherical cell. And the radius is given to be like this. So the trick here is the area come out to of this cube 6a square, which will come out to be 1176, and then we will be adding the area of the 2 pi r square for the of the means hemisphere, since we will not be adding 3 pi r square because the pi r square is subsumed, means it is covered here, so it will not be counted as the pi r square will not be counted of the hemisphere. So the pi r square only will be counted, and 1176 plus 154 will be giving answer 1330. That is A option. So the 12th question, how many silver coins 3.5 centimeter in diameter of thickness 4 millimeter can be multiplied? So the answer comes out to be 420 will be the answer. You can see here. The 13th, the tub is in the shape of the frustum of a cone. The radii of two circular ends of the tub are 105 and 442. So that this situation, the tub is here, and this can be immediately count from the here that the radius height is the 16. So the vertical height is 16, and this what radii, two radii. So one of this is 105 and this is 42. So uh, uh, we will be the slant height will be the triplet of the 16, 63 and the 65. So the 65 will be the right answer here. Because see the when we do this 105 minus 42, so 63 will be the answer, and the radius means the uh, slant height formula for the means frustum of cone is the h square, which is the height, vertical height, height plus capital R minus small r whole square. So the capital R minus small r is the 63. So the answer here 63, the root of this will come out to be 65. So the further 14th question, the for ABC is a right angle triangle at B. So this is the diagram. AB is 8, BC is 6. It is made out to revolve around BC. So the area will be like this. So the option will be correct option will be A. Okay. You can get it by the correct calculation here. Since it is approximate area, you will be means getting around 450. Okay, so the nearest option is around that is 452. So that will be A will be the right answer. Now 15th, the solid rod consists of a cylinder of height 20 centimeter and radius 7 centimeter. It is surmounted by another solid cylinder of height 10 centimeter. So this is the case, and the right answer will be the 34.65 kg. Uh, then the prime factors of this number. So from the unit digit concept, we see that 3 into 1 is 3 and 3 into 7 is the one digit. 1 is coming at the last, and all the other option we are not getting the one option. So it immediately we can select this option uh, and proceed further. So and again coming to the putting in this, we will be putting the value as 7 directly in here. So you can see that I have put the values. Firstly I put the 14, but it did not work out, so I put the 7. So 7 into 6, sorry, 7, putting 7 in here, we will get 6 and 5 and 3. So the 6 into 5 is 30, 30 into 3 is and 90. So 90 minus 90 is 0, so it is the factor, so this will be the answer. And square root of this. So first the trick of this is the squaring these two numbers and getting this first. So squaring root 3, we get 3, and squaring these two root 5, 4 into 5. So 20 plus 3, 23 comes out as a the first factor comes out. So but in the other options, this itself will not come out. See, for 4 is square 16 into 3 48. So it is already surpassing this to number 23. And also in this case we can see 7 square is 49. So this also cannot be the answer. In this case as well, 9 into 2 18, 18 plus 6, so 24. So all of the answer can be immediately cancelled out, but just we will remain with the answer, that is C, root 3 minus 2 root 5. Then the remainder after 37 to the power 1000 divided by 9. So it is of the form of 360 plus 1. So 1 is a remainder, and the power is the factor after the 4. So the answer will be the 1 to the power 4. So 1 to power 4 is 1. So our answer will be 1, A option. 20th question, LCM and HCF of the number 536. Sum of the LCM and HCF is 536. So the 536 the 536 is sum is 536, and the division difference is the 296. So we will calculate, this will be coming out as the, so one of the number will be coming out as the 120. Okay, sorry, 120 will be the our SCF, and the LCM will be the 416. So from this we will be getting the 480 as the other number, and one number in this one property will be used, that is LCM into SCF is the product is equal to the product of the two numbers. So from this we will getting 480. And then for 20 from the 21st option, we have been given 20 men are supposed to complete our work in 10 days. So for this uh, okay, wait. Uh, yes, 20 men into 10 days. So after working this, solving this, we will be getting the answer 40. It is easy and it can be done easily. So the next question, I have not did this in the examination, but I the right option will be this option is not correct here, and else are all are means this is all the options are this is the correct option and all others are not correct. So the means right option will be the 1 to 4, that is B option, and in this case as well this will be the answer. But as we can see that firstly putting y equal to 0 we will get as 2x square, so the 2x can be here, and in likewise we can put x also 0, so we will be getting minus 3y square. So these two options will be only we will be satisfying the that case, so the all other option will be cancelling out, and we will get a as answer. 24th question. So for we all know for the requirement for the real roots, that is this would be greater than 0, so it is saying does not have real roots, so it must be less than 0. So we will be seeing in which option we are the b square minus 4ac is less than 0. So in this option, we will see that 81 minus 96 will which will be negative minus 15. So it will be this equation will not be giving our real roots. Proceeding, sum and product of the roots of a quadratic equation are 7 and 12. So the 7 and 12 this equation will come out and the factor will be 4 and 3, and it is saying that the bigger root is halved. So the bigger root 4 is halved, that is 2, it becomes 2, and the smaller root is double, so the smaller root 3 is double, so the second root is 6. Now adding this root will be the we will get this as answer. 26th question. For which values of k does the equation x square minus kx plus 2 have real and distinct root? So we get real roots as I said earlier when the b square minus 4ac that is the d will equal to the 0. So the 2 root 2 will be the answer, and 2 plus minus 2 root 2 will be written as this that is k less than minus root 2 root 2, or k should be greater than 2 root 2. 27th option, 27th question. In this case, we can put lambda equal to 0, then we will be getting as alpha plus beta equal to alpha beta. So in this gamma is 0, so the 1 minus alpha multiplied by 1 minus beta. So the option right option will be the 1 minus alpha plus beta, alpha beta. So the uh, 1 will be here 1, and the minus alpha minus this will be alpha plus beta. Okay, and then we will be left with the plus alpha beta. So this will cancel out as this is given earlier. Here minus is there with the, so alpha plus beta will be alpha beta, and minus alpha beta this will be minus alpha beta here, and it is in adjustment we are having alpha beta, so it will cancel out each other, and we will be getting 1 as the answer in this case. So further, uh, uh, 28th question. In this we can see this combine this log as combining this log we will get x cube, and combining this we will get 10x square. It is wrongly written here, it is multiplied. Okay, so that x equal to 10 will be the right answer. Then 29th, LCM of two numbers p and q is so I have not did this, leave it. Three runners are running in a circular track, so 20, 30, 35 minutes are there completing means timing in the circuit. So the next time they will meet will be the we all know it will be the LCM. So the LCM of 20, 30, 35 will come out to be 7 hours. And then there is the minimum value of cosec cube theta plus cosec cube theta, which will come out to be 20. Now proceeding further, uh, sin square 14 sin square theta plus 10 sin, cos square theta equal to 1, it is given, and we have to calculate the tan theta plus cot theta. So the we will putting the value of means as theta equal to 30 degrees, so 7 plus 10 by 10 into 3 by we will be getting 4 by root 3 as answer by putting the theta equal to 33. So now next this will be giving 2 as a right answer because the sin square theta this will be 1 minus 1 minus sin theta into cos theta, and there will be 1 plus sin theta into cos theta. So 1 minus sin theta into cos theta will cancel out, and we will get 1 plus 1 2 as answer. So 34th question, the ladder long reaches a point 10 meter below the top of a tower. So it is 10 meter here, and it is the top of tower, and the from the foot of the ladder, the elevation of the top of the flagstaff. From the foot of the ladder. So this is the foot of the ladder, the elevation of top of the flagstaff. So the flagstaff is the here. So it is the 60 degree here. So this will be giving out as the 15, because it will be the root 3 times, since it is opposite to the 60 degree. And this is the answer will be the height of the flag stop will be 15, that is 5 plus 10. So it will be the 15 as the right answer. Maximum value of the 1 plus 2 sin square theta into cos square theta minus sin, this will be this equals to this. So the right answer will be the 4 sin the 1 will be cancelled out, and we will be left with the 4 sin square theta into cos square theta. And we know that sin square theta, sin to the power n theta multiplied with the cos to the power n theta, the maximum value of this is 1. So the 4 multiply sorry the maximum value is 1 by to the power n. So the here n is 2, so the n is 2, so the 2 1 to the power 2, 2 to the power 2. So 1 by 4 is the maximum value of sin square theta into cos square theta. So 4 into 4 multiplied by 1 by 4 will be the maximum value will be getting as 1. So the right option A is A. The from this option, no, right question I did not do. Further this will be giving that 1 by 2 30 degree as a right answer. Putting 30 degree, we will get this option, A option, as a correct answer. And similarly in this giving putting it this side and making taking sin square theta in this side, we'll be getting this as a correct option. And similar in, but in this we will be this will be equal to the 1 plus 2 1 plus 2 sin square theta into cos square theta. So the this is the not the right option. Here we will be having minus sign, then it will be correct. So option 2 is not correct option. So 1 and 3 is right answer. So proceeding further, in similarly in this case as well, when we convert the sine 24 with the cos into the cos, which will be the cos 66, and in this sine cos will be converted to the sine 60 and then 66. So the both will be same, and they will be cancelling out each other. In similar this expression as well, we will be getting, they will be cancelling out, and we will get 0 as the answer of this question. Further, this will be the x equal to p sine a cos b, y equal to p sine a sine b, z equal to p cos a. So the squaring all of this, we will get p square as the answer, right? Positive p square, that is C option is the right answer. So 41 is the x equal to m sec a plus tan a, y equal to m tan a plus sin sec a. So squaring and doing a squaring and subtracting them, we will get A as answer. You can easily get it by yourself as well. So the now proceeding further, for some theta, it is given that for tan theta is equal to 1. So we all know tan theta becomes 1 when theta is at 45 degrees. So putting 45 degree here, so we will get minus 1 by 2 as the answer. And from this option, we will get tan theta as the right answer. Now this can be easily done as well. Tan v plus c by 2 equal to the cot a by 2. So it is here with the minus sign, so it will cancel out each other, and this will also change because the a plus b plus c by 2 is the pi by 2, that is 90 minus 2. So sin 90 minus theta is the cos theta. So this will be cancelling out each other. So the right answer will be a 0. And further, in a triangle 40, right angle triangle B, AB plus BC, it is given that tan A plus C is being asked. So it will come out to be 4 by root 3. It is easy. You can do it as well. So now a solid consisting of a right circular cone of radius x and height 2x standing on a hemisphere of radius x. So this is the case, that is the hemisphere is there, and the cone is standing on a hemisphere. And firstly, we will be calculating the solid volume of the solid, that is this is cone, and this hemisphere, which will be coming out, which will come out to be as the 2 pi x cube and 1 by 3 pi x square into 2x. So this will be 4 pi x cube. So this is the equal to the a volume of the sphere of radius x. Further, the approximate total surface area of the solid. So the total surface area of the solid will be the total surface area of this cone, as well as the total surface area of this hemisphere, which will be around the 13.3 x square, which you can calculate by the sum doing the sum of the area of this pi r, means adding these two my total surface area. Okay, now further, the solid is placed upright in the right circular cylinder full of water in such a way that it touches the bottom, which the internal radius of the radius is x and height is 3x. What is the approximate volume of the water left? So the water left will be comes out to be 5.24. So you can calculate it as well. The 49th question, sorry, I have not did this due to want of time. Let's proceed for the 51st. So the 51 question is saying that the ABC is a triangle and the side with AB equal to 6 and BC equal to 10, BC is here 10 and CA is 8. So the radius of these circles, three circles are drawn in the edges of the with the vertices as the center. So the this will be remember this sum of this radii of the circles comes out to be the sum of these sum of the sides of the means the perimeter of the half the perimeter of the triangle. So the here the perimeter is the 24, so the half of the perimeter is the 12. So 12 will the right answer. The 52 second question is the length of the altitudes of the triangle drawn from the vertex A on the BC. So the right direct formula is there, that is 86 8 into 6 divided by the BC means AB multiplied with the AC divided by the BC. So the 8 into 6 divided by 10 comes out to be 4.8 centimeter. So now proceeding for the 53 question of PQR are the areas of the sector. So I did not did it a little bit means not getting that time. Now proceed for the 54th question. AC we see in here you can get some learn something that is by putting the value if we are not getting directly. So ABC is a triangle. So ABC is any triangle with AB and AC is equal. So AB and AC is equal. D is any point. So we can consider it as right angle triangle as well. So I take it as AD as 4. So AD is 4, then it will be 3. It will be 3. So the because the same the BD and DC will be divided in the same ratio. So the AC square minus AD square 25 square minus 4 square, that is 25 minus 16 which comes out to be the 9, and the BD and CD which will be 3, which is 3, and CD is also 3. So 3 into 3 will be the 9. So we see that AC minus AD square comes out to be BD into DC. So this is the right answer. Now proceeding further, from the same formula, we will be getting the answer of this question, that is AB. We will be calculating this AB, and since AB and AC are equal, so the formula holds for same for this from this as well. So we will be taking AD square here. AD square, how much AD is there? 25. So the 25. Considering this is giving, so the AD is 5, and so the 25 will be there, and BD is given to be 4. So the 4 and 4, sorry 4, so it is given 4 here. So it must be CD, and CD is given to be 6. So the 4 into 6 it will be 24, and 25 plus 24 which is 49, and square root of 49 we all know that is 7. So the 7 will be the right answer for the AB. So